Around with that 3D printer, and I made this little micro lure. Not to weigh it, but it's pretty light. It's made out of that PLA plus, and then these two split shot size 3 and a little hook. I just want to see if I can catch something with it. Got the Feather Flight Kingfisher. Cast trout magnets with it. Oh, we got one. Nice. First one on the 3D printed lure. All right, it works. Cool. Oh, there's a hit. Another one. Putting a nice bend in the rod. There's another bass behind it. All right, it's working. Right there. Cool stuff. Had a tap. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh, he ran in on me. Lost him. Bummer. Got him. That one ran in on me. All right. Little lure's working. All right. Ran on me. He's got a little bend in the rod. Got his shoulders into it. All right. A lot of junk in the trunk on this one. He felt bigger than that, but hey, it counts on that little blade lure. 3D style.